Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, the place where we bring you the most in-depth and honest reviews on all the products you need to know about. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender in pink. This little powerhouse is designed to handle everything from soups to smoothies, all while looking stylish on your countertop. So let's see if it's more than just a pretty face, or if it has the power to back up its good looks. The Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender is all about blending versatility. It comes with an ergonomic grip designed to fit comfortably in your hand, making it easy to use for longer periods without feeling fatigued. The non-slip handle ensures that you maintain a firm grip, even when your hands are wet or greasy. This is especially important if you're blending a batch of soup or making a smoothie. The 59-inch cord gives you plenty of room to move around, making it easy to use in any pot or mixing bowl without feeling restricted by cord length. In terms of performance, this hand blender is built with stainless steel blades that are sharp and durable. It features 5 speed settings and a turbo mode for those moments when you need that extra burst of power. Whether you're blending ingredients for a soup, pureeing fruits for a smoothie, or even whisking eggs for a recipe, this hand blender is designed to tackle it all with ease. The inclusion of both a blender stick and a whisk attachment gives you the flexibility to do much more than just blend. It's a multi-purpose kitchen tool that's perfect for anyone who loves to cook. Now, let's get into how this blender actually performs. I've had the chance to use it in several real-world situations. First up, I tried it out in a batch of creamy butternut squash soup. The blender's 5 speeds were more than enough to blend everything into a smooth, velvety texture. The turbo mode really came in handy when I needed to blitz through some thicker ingredients quickly. The process was pretty seamless, and I didn't have to deal with any splattering, which can be a common issue with other hand blenders. Plus, the 59-inch cord allowed me to comfortably move around the kitchen without feeling tied down. Next, I put it to the test, making a smoothie. I threw in frozen berries, yogurt, and a bit of milk. Once again, the blender's powerful motor and sharp blades made quick work of the ingredients, resulting in a perfectly smooth consistency. This blender really excels when it comes to blending soft and frozen ingredients alike, and the turbo mode made it a breeze to get through those tough chunks of ice. As for the whisk attachment, I used it to whip up some cream for a dessert. The whisk worked just as expected, and within a few minutes, I had soft peaks ready for a parfait. It was efficient, and I didn't notice any issues with the whisk's performance, which is a common pitfall with some hand blenders that don't have the necessary power to whisk effectively. When it comes to pros and cons, there's quite a lot to appreciate about this hand blender. The ergonomic handle and the non-slip grip are definite standouts. I also really appreciated the versatility it offers with the whisk and blender stick attachments, making it a tool that can be used for a variety of tasks in the kitchen. The 59-inch cord is also a significant advantage, especially when working with larger pots or mixing bowls. Performance-wise, the Dash Chef Series hand blender delivers solid results across different tasks. It's powerful enough for everyday use, and I didn't feel like it was lacking in speed or power. That said, there are a couple of things worth noting. The main downside for some people might be the weight. It's slightly heavier than other immersion blenders on the market, which can be a consideration if you plan to use it for extended periods. Also, while the 5 speed settings are great, there are some high-end models that offer more speeds for more precision control, especially when dealing with delicate tasks like emulsifying dressings. But for the price point, this is more than sufficient for most home cooks. Now let's talk about value for money. The Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender is priced reasonably, especially when you consider the power and versatility it offers. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it definitely delivers good performance for what you pay. The inclusion of both the blender stick and whisk attachment adds a lot of value, making it a well-rounded tool for various kitchen tasks. For comparison, some other immersion blenders in this price range may lack the whisk attachment or the robust motor, making this one a strong contender if you're looking for versatility on a budget. When compared to similar products, like the Braun Multi-Quick 5 or the KitchenAid KHB 2351, the Dash Chef series stands out for its design and extra attachments. The Braun model, while compact, doesn't come with a whisk, and it's not quite as powerful as the Dash Chef series. The KitchenAid model is a bit pricier and comes with more speed options, but for those on a budget, the Dash Chef series offers a lot of bang for your buck, especially if you want a blender that can handle more than just blending. In terms of build quality, the Dash Chef series feels solid. The materials are sturdy, and it feels well constructed in your hand. While it's not necessarily a premium product, it's clear that it's built to last for the price you're paying. As for longevity, I've been using it regularly for a few weeks now, and there's no sign of wear or any issues with the motor. Dash has a reputation for producing reliable kitchen gadgets, and this blender seems to fit into that trend. As for customer support, while I didn't need to reach out to them personally, Dash has a reputation for responsive customer service in general, and you can always expect prompt answers to any inquiries. To wrap up, the Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender is a solid all-around option for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile kitchen tool. It's not the lightest or the most advanced immersion blender on the market, but it offers great value with its power, design, and versatility. It's perfect for someone who wants a blender that can handle a variety of tasks, from smoothies to soups to whisking, without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a durable, efficient immersion blender that does it all, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for watching. The link to the product is in the comments box below. If you already own the Dash Chef Series Immersion Hand Blender, feel free to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. And until next time, remember, there's always more to discover with Reviews Inside TV.